So gist of Tukaram Maharaj, his life is Bhave Gave Geet. Don't do anything else. He didn't know anything. In the history of Tukaram Maharaj's literature, it is written that he was a small child. And he used to make vina, you know, Ravi, what do you call it? You make buttermilk out of it. He used to take that and make vina out of it. Ram Krishna Hari, Ram Krishna Hari, Ram Krishna Hari. And his mother had told him only one thing. Don't ever forget the puja of Panduranga. And he was a great bhakta of his mother. So he never forgot that. And because he never forgot that, we are here. What jnana do we have? Tell me, what do we know? We feel, we love to talk, we love to hear our own voice. You know, that is the drawback of every human being. That's why everyone craves to come on this platform and talk. It is human nature. It is not something out of the way. Everyone feels, oh, this one should listen to me. I feel this one should listen to me. They will feel, no, she should listen to us. So this goes on. Everyone likes to be heard. Saints like to be heard, but they don't get entangled in their preachings, you know. After they preach, Gata Zato Tuka Hachi Upadesha Loka. He goes. He doesn't wait at one point. He doesn't stop at one point. He just goes on. So if bhav is there, you may have all the jnana in the world. And you don't have bhav. What is the use? We are performing, what is the name of this? Krishna Jnana. Krishna Gana Sabha. This is known as Krishna Gana Sabha. Once in Krishna Gana Sabha, main Gana Sabha, Krishna had 16,108 wives. How many? Everyone knows. I mean, this is what you know of Krishna, this everyone will know. But if you go into the depth, if you ask them what else, yes, he married Jambuvanti also. Are you ready to marry? If you want to become Krishna. Do you know who was Jambuvanti? Who was Jambuvanti? Jambuvanti was a she-bear. Miya Jambuvanti bhakti stava vargi. So, that was also Gana Sabha. And Narad used to feel, who had a Brahma Vina. Always Narayana, 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 Narayana. Narayana, Rama, Ramana. Narayana, Rama, Ramana. Madhusudana, Manamohana. Madhusudana, Re Manamohana. Kadunagana, Re Narayana. So, Bharat said, there is no one like me. All the Tribhuvan used to be Narayana, 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 Narayana. And then he used to look at Krishna. And he says, he used to feel, Rukmini is all right. Satyabhama, also, she is very beautiful. And last, what do you say, avatar, he had given promise, okay, this time you come as Satyabhama, I'll marry you. Then 16,000, they were conquered by a demon. He married on one Antarpat, okay, fine. But why this Jambuvanti? Bhave Gave Gita. Miya Jambuvanti Bhakti Stavari. And you know, Jambuvanti was a very, very good singer. And she used to sing so beautifully. So once, and this is the trend of any sant or any god, when he sees that there is ahankar in someone near and dear, he sees to it that it comes down. So in this Gana Sabha, Krishna Gana Sabha, one day they were all sitting, and now Jambuvanti is who? Ai Sahib. Remember, so Narad had to do pranam to Ai Sahib, Mataji. And that day, Ai Sahib came, beautifully dressed. All shalu, mani, khira, moti, everything, all jewelry, diamonds. And then she had a beautiful ghungat and her mouth protruding out of the ghungat. And so everyone looking at her. Like that. This woman won't be, so shy in front of a husband. That is the shyness she depicted in front of Krishna. So she came and she did this. Then she did pranam to Krishna and sat down. It was Krishna. Krishna was in all, Purna Avatar. Purna Avatar is what? What is the meaning of Purna Avatar? All accepting. All accepting. Means he showed that I am in everything. And another thing, Panduranga is Samacharan. So what is the difference between that? He is Purna Avatar and he is Samacharan. You will say it is the same. Yes, one way it is the same, but there is a vast difference. Samacharana drishti vitevari sajiri. Samacharana samadrishti. Khata nata yare shuddha honi zare. Daundi piti bhave sokha mera. He did not have to pick up any weapon or use any astra. No shama, dama, danda, bhed, nothing. With his eyes, with his heart, which poured out through his eyes, he's done his karya. But I think when a person is so liberal, people take advantage of him. That we see in Panduranga Avatar. So, it is always the case that it is a circle of life. So, it is the circle in Dasha Avatar also. One avatar is strong, then the other is more soft. It is the father who is strict, the mother is soft, the mother is sick, the father is soft. So, then now Kalanki Avatar will come on a horse with a talwar, sword in his hand. They say, we don't know. I mean, of course it is true, it will happen, but maybe we will not recognize, we'll be there, we won't be there, we don't know. But I think we should be there. As Maharaj says, last Janam, last avatar, in Krishna avatar, we were Gopal. In this avatar, we are Varkaris. Gauriyachi tak pire kaya pure changali. They used to smell of buttermilk. So today also they say, hey, what is Varkari? What is Varkari Sampradaya? All people, all simple people who don't know anything, just do Vitthal, Vitthal, Vitthal. Arey, we know our mother, what do you know? We know our father, what do you know? You may know everything, but if you forget the mood, सकळ धर्माचे कारण नामस्मरण हरि कीर्तन दया क्षमा समाधान संत जन साधेती निज धर्म हा सोखडा नाम उच्चारू विठाल विठाल घड घडा विठाल विठाल Mukti Mukti Sa Savangada. The word you like. Savangada. Ha Bhava Sindhu Taraka. Ha Bhava Sindhu Taraka. Nijanarma Ha Sukhada. So, what is Namasmaran? So, person like me has no way out. जिसको कुछ आता नहीं, person who doesn't know anything has to rely only on the Father. Who can't walk? आंधळ्या पांगळ्याचा एक विठोबा दाता, प्रसवला विश्व तोची. Who's he? आंधळ्या पांगळ्याचा एक विठोबा दाता. That doesn't mean that we can't see. We can see, but we can't see him. We can walk, but we don't know how to walk towards him. We are limping when we walk towards him. We see, but we have a puddle. We have some avaran in front of our eyes because of which we can't see. But we know he's there. So we say, आंधळ्या पांगळ्याचा एक विठोबा दाता.